Out here, man. Alright guys, simple video. My girl lost her side skirts, so she got new side skirts. So we're gonna install these babies. All right. Alright, fresh, 0 mile. Okay. Put this baby down. The next one. People think that these side skirts are hard to do. They're really not. It's two screws, and some 3M tape. I'm gonna show you on this side, but we already put this side together. I gotta shoot some bottom screws. This is when you need the 3M tape for this. But it's looking good. Needs a freaking wash. Golly. Alright, get it up in there. Gotta stretch this and stretch this. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but we make it work. Easy, guys. Get it in the hole. Find your position and take it. Screw. Bam. This one should have a... Did this one have that same bracket, right?
Yeah.
Nice and secure. And there's 2 under here that'll make this bad boy secure. This one my gun will finish. Oh my god, I hate screws, bro. Non-magnetic screws are my best friends.
He's falling off.
Yes, over and over. Alright guys, take fucking 5. It's not even going in. There we go. Now we're in. You know, there you have it, folks. A quick, easy tutorial on how to install side skirts on your, what is it, 10-gen Accord? What do you think, cutie? We still got some tire left. Well, we gotta do our